Been wanting to get this Tesla car steering wheel tray for a while now. It's made by Econor. It's double-sided. On this side here, it's flat for like a laptop or a pen and a pencil to write on. And on the other side, it's a little bit deeper well here for food. So this is made to have like a fast food and a drink. And this holder, just a place to put all of your stuff while you're in the car so that it's a little bit easier to eat from. So I want to test this out, how well it works. Just want to quickly weigh it because just to give you guys an idea, it's very lightweight. I mean, it's hollow in the middle, and it's made just out of plastic. So just to give you an idea, maybe I should do it this way here. Yeah, so it's a little over a pound. It's about a pound, 1 pound, 4 ounces is the weight on this thing. So again, very easy to transport. Just throw it in the back of the car and you're good to go. So the first thing you're gonna do when you get in the car or when you get your tray out is it won't fit this way. Doesn't say it does. So you've got to, just because of the way the bottom of this steering wheel bows out a little bit, it's really made for more of the curvature of the top. So you want to turn the steering wheel completely around so it's upside down like that, and then this will fit and hook right onto the steering wheel like that. So you can see there's now a little bit more of leverage. And actually I want to flip this over so that it will go to the other side. And so you kind of tip it upward like that and then let it kind of rest back down on itself against the back there. Okay, so that's kind of what it looks like when it's installed. Again, the Tesla logo should be upside down. So here's what it looks like with a laptop on it, opened, fully opened. It's actually pretty comfortable. If I turn this around and we look at kind of the room I have here, if I was to be typing here, it's actually not bad. And it does give you, you don't feel the heat from the bottom of the laptop. I actually kind of like that. I was thinking originally that it would be better suited for something like this, like a tablet. And, obviously there is going to be more room on here. And so you can see there's much more room here, but it really doesn't matter. The workspace itself is conducive for both form factors. So perfect for something like this. There's a little spot for a pen. If you were going to put a pad here, you could write with it. So yeah, I mean, just from a productivity standpoint, I think this shelf is actually pretty nice if you were to be working in your car a lot and you just want it to be comfortable. This is pretty nice. So everything I've seen though on the ads, they show, a hamburger and fries and a drink. And so I wanted to test that out. I don't have anything here with me, so I'm going to drive up to a fast food place and order some food, put it on the tray, and we'll see what the experience is like with some food on it. Okay, so I just came up to get something to eat. I'm gonna turn the steering wheel upside down here. I'm gonna go with the one with the cup holder. Although I will say, I mean, yeah, you could put a drink here on the cup holder, but the cup holder is like right there. It's almost better just to put it there and you don't have the chance of this falling. Because, as you're kind of tapping the tray, it is moving that around. So I'm going to keep this in the cup holder right next to it. And then I just went and got some sushi. And the reason I went with something, I mean, clearly if I put a hamburger on here, it's going to be just fine. But I wanted something that I was, interacting with a little bit more, maybe like a salad or something that had a fork and you kind of see the pressure being pushed down. But obviously this fits great. Give you an idea here of what it looks like from above. So you've got plenty of room. It's at the right elbow height, I think. We'll see as soon as I start eating. The table's rigid. I mean, this thing's not going anywhere once it's locked down. Honestly, when I saw this on Amazon, I kind of thought it was, I knew I wanted to do a review, but I honestly didn't think I would be reviewing it in a positive light, but I could see myself using this tray all the time. It's keeping one. If you didn't have this, I would be eating here on the center console, and that would just be a mess. This keeps it right here. It's solid, and I really love, from a productivity standpoint, the way that you can hold your laptop on here, because I have done work at superchargers in the past. It gets the computer itself gets very hot on your lap, so you end up putting that on the center console as well, and then you kind of have to turn a little bit. So for what this little tray cost, I definitely think it's worth it, and I would I will certainly be keeping this one. So thanks for watching.